Sa iba pang balita, pinalawig ng Korte Suprema ang temporary restraining order laban sa all-time power rate hike na Meralco. Ayon kay Supreme Court spokesman Attorney Theodore Te, epektibo ang TRO hanggang ika-22 ng Abril. Ibig sabihin nito, hindi muna pinahihintulutan ng Korte ang pagtataas ng singil sa kuryente ng nasabing power distributor. Matatandaang noong Disyembre, hiniling ng Meralco na magpatupad ng dagdag singil dahil sa pagtaas umano ng presyo sa WESM dulot ng maintenance shutdown ng Manampayag Gas Facility.
The court today will do the following. 1. Extend the existing TRO for an additional 60 days from its expiration or until April 22, 2014. B. Grant a temporary restraining order effective immediately and for a period ending April 22, 2014, enjoining the generating companies, specifically Masinloc Power Partners Company Limited, care of AES Philippines, San Miguel Energy Corporation, South Premier Power Corporation, First Gas Power Corporation, and the National Grid Corporation of the Philippines from demanding and collecting the deferred amounts representing the affected costs based on the matters raised in Meralco's December 5, 2013 letter. And C. Grant a temporary restraining order effective immediately and for a period ending April 22, 2014,